Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Back in Ohio, I never drink rum. I never even think about it. But when that plane is landing on St. Barths, one of my first thoughts is, oh boy, I'm going to be having a rum punch. Well, rum in the Caribbean, much of it is produced here. It's very reasonably priced, and there are so many exotic juices to mix with it. So I have been experimenting with rum punches, and boy, I think I've come up with just about the perfect one. Now pay attention, here's how I do it. You start with a little ice in your glass, not too much, because when you're halfway through your drink, you don't want it to taste all watered down. You just want a handful of cubes just to keep it nice and cool. And of course, we're going to start with some rum. Dark rum, not light rum, dark rum. And you want a healthy shot in there. Now these mixtures of juices I've selected just go perfectly together. I love banana juice. Talk about a tropical feel. So I want to put a good jigger of banana juice in there. And of course, mango juice reminds me of the islands. So I want to put a jigger and a half of mango juice. Now, because those are two very sweet juices, you want a little bit of tartness in there, so I'm going to put just a little splash of orange juice. And you have to have coconut when you're on an island. So this is coconut milk. I'm going to put a half a jigger of coconut milk in there. A little more tartness with some lime juice squeezed directly in there. There we go. Now, I like to float a little bit of cream on the top. Just drizzle it in the top like that. Because that creaminess kind of cuts down on all the acidity of all that juice. Not too much. And then, it's another Caribbean thing, nutmeg. Nutmeg over the top. And there's one more essential ingredient. I'll be right back. You must have potato chips with your Paradise Punch. Nice salty potato chips. So let's take a sip. It's the best fruit punch, rum punch I've ever had. This is like a chaser. Now you know how to do it. So chin chin.